Hi everybody, it's Margarita with Tailspin Farms. Today I'm wanting to talk about volunteer plants that come up in your garden or flower bed. There could be several different reasons why you have volunteer plants that just pop up here and there. I got asked this question a few weekends ago as the person's laughing and joking about it, thinking I didn't know what I was talking about. But that was just rude. But anyway, volunteer plants are when you buy vegetables such as from the grocery store, such as potatoes, onions, squash, cucumbers, what else? Watermelons, anything like that. And if you compost it, it could grow back up in your compost. Also celery. So I'm going to show you some of my volunteer plants that came up on their own in random places. Could have been from a bird flying over, dropping a seed from something or whatever. It's been kind of interesting this year because I have quite a few volunteers. So, excuse me, I'm going to show you that and what we have going on here. This is where I planted my onions. So, I have onions, and then we have volunteer tomato plants coming up. These are the tomato plants. I have potatoes coming up in here. Let's see, what else? Oh, and this looks like a squash plant coming up in with the onions. So, that's that one. And then over here, this one right here kind of looks like a little squash plant coming up. I don't know why it's out here by itself, but I have some more random ones that came up on their own. Like this one right here, it's growing really well. It came up outside of the garden. Did I miss it? Let me see if I can get it in the camera. There it is. And it's just doing really well. Uh-oh. There's a worm. We need to get it off. And then, but it's growing really well here. Starting to get little buds on it. I'm excited about that. Okay, now we have more coming. Oh yeah, and at the other end of my planter, which you can see, I got beans coming up. We got more potatoes that are volunteer, and they're coming up on their own. So that's very interesting. And they're starting to bud. So that's exciting. Yay! And I'll show you another one that's in a random spot. So this is our garden here. Not much is in it yet. But over here, as we walk, I got some plants coming up over here. So I'm thinking, whoops, where is it? Let me find it here. There it is. Thinking it's probably a squash plant. There was two. I bet you a deer got it. Little varmints. Because there was two here. Pretty good size. So I bet that's what happened. Anyway, that's a couple of our deals. We've so far had potatoes, squash, tomatoes, cucumbers coming up. I'm not for sure if there's any watermelon coming up yet, but it's in random spots that I've never planted these before. So anyway, a good way to look at it is I get free vegetables or free plants. So that makes it even better when it's free. Just saves a little bit of money in our pockets, right? So I'm pretty excited about the garden this year. Don't know if I'm going to do very well, but I'm having fun doing it. At least maybe I'll get some stuff canned up. And I'm trying to think if there was anything else that came up volunteer. But that's my version of the volunteer plants coming up. You know, like I said, you can get it from scraps. Some of them just come back from seeding from the year before. A bird could be flying over, transplant something for you in your compost, whatever. So, I hope you like this. If you have any questions, please put it in below. And I hope you like and subscribe to our channel. And I'll have more coming soon. And y'all have a blessed day. Thanks for watching.